What's going on, guys? Welcome to week 6 of the city rebuild. It's been a big week as far as getting stuff done and creating new builds for our website. If you guys didn't see our short that we posted this week with our newest update, here it is, just so you guys can see it real quick. We've added so many custom Lego builds to our website in the past few weeks, and we have even more on the way soon. We've added a Lego Prime delivery truck with cheaper parts than the first version and a larger back area for storage of boxes. We then added a new airport ambulance in light green, as well as a new Lego Search and Rescue fire truck, which has already been very popular. We also added new airport baggage tractors in multiple colors, and we'll be adding these to our massive Lego airport soon. We even added a Donuts modular drive-thru with removable roof. And just last week, we added a new burger food truck with kitchen interior. But now we have a whole new category coming to the website, military. Here's a sneak peek at some of the new builds coming in the next few weeks, with more currently in development. Make sure you're following along for more, and leave a comment for what you're most excited about. So as you can see, it's been a very busy week for us. We've actually been really working on primarily the beach area, and the focus has been working on the new jetties for the new area that connects the two different areas of the city. So what that means is basically we were waiting on these dark grayish blue slopes, and we got a bunch of different sizes and shapes, and we used them to create these new rock jetties that basically the one on the left that we're working on right here in this part of the video is going to be the end of the beach area, the main beach area that you guys have seen in our city for a long time. And it was really tricky doing all the intricate rock work and making sure that it kind of all flowed in a natural way that also, rested against the sand. And then on the other side had good water movement. You can see kind of the white and clear bricks that we use to kind of create, ripples and waves where they'd be crashing up against the rocks. And then we extended the bike path through and on top of it, which I'll cover more in a second. But it was really important to try and make this as realistic as possible. From there, we had to work on extending the old rock jetty, which we had used from another part of our city in the past, because what we're doing is basically creating a new channel, which I'm going to show you guys in a second, the final product. But the fun part about this one was we had to go underneath where the new bridge is going to go. So we laid out the bridge supports first just to make sure that we had those in place. And then we kind of built the rock jetty going somewhat through it, but then also kind of around it. As you can see here with the jetties primarily finished, you can see where this new channel for boats is going to be, which connects the two areas of the city. So we're really excited with how this turned out. Another focus was getting the waves done in the new surfing area. These were existing to a degree in the old city, but we wanted to add some more and make this whole area the new surfing beach. We also added new palm trees in the back and added minifigures back to the beach, which was great to see. And this whole area is now going to be the surfing area. We got a little photographer and the lifeguard hut, And if you haven't seen it, we do have a free tutorial on our channel on how to make the beach and the water just like what we do. It is an expensive technique, but we love how it turns out, including the greenery and everything else. So if you want to go check that out, I'll link it up above just so you can build it for your own city. But anyway, outside of the jetties, we did kind of work on some other details, including the bike path, which now, bends around and then it'll go through the bottom of the bridge area, which will be right here. And then if you kind of see it on the left, that's where it's going to curve underneath the bridge, which will be super cool. And then it'll connect over here to the right, and that will basically take you to the new part of the city. So moving on over, if you see, we've kind of started working on the new roads over here as well, including a bike lane. We're going to make this a really walkable and cool area of the city with kind of a downtown, not really downtown, but like a beach area. And that'll be really sweet, and then connect over to the bridge to the main downtown core. So this area is coming along. We just started laying out the road work, and then after that will come the buildings and all the other details. But that's basically it for this week. As you guys can see, we built a lot of new things and then kind of primarily focused on the beach and connecting everything back together. Make sure you're subscribed and following along, because we're going to post another video next week with our next updates. And thanks again for watching today, and we'll see you next video.